Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect a universal stylus pin to your Xiaomi Pad 5, Pad 6, or Pad 7. First, turn on the stylus. Most universal pins can be turned on by pressing the main button. On some models, you can also tap the top of the pin cap twice to power it on. When the pin is on, you may see a small light indicator. Next, check if your stylus requires Bluetooth. Some advanced pens with extra buttons need Bluetooth to work fully. On your Xiaomi tablet, open the Settings app. Go to Bluetooth and turn it on. Wait for available devices to appear. Look for your stylus name in the list and tap it to pair. Once connected, the pen is ready to use with its full features. If your stylus does not need Bluetooth, you can skip this step. Most active stylus pens use built-in sensing technology. This means they will start working as soon as they touch the screen. Now, try using the pen on your tablet. Open any app like Notes or a drawing app. Touch the screen with the stylus and check if it responds. You should be able to write, draw, or navigate easily. You are now ready to use your stylus with your Xiaomi Pad. Thanks for watching.